You are now listening to Words Are Words, written and narrated by The Chicken. Words are words. Words are words. There are long words with syllables and herds, and there are words that are short, like snip, snap, and sort. They can be fun to say and make your day, or they can twist your tongue and exercise a lung. You can find words anywhere, over here, over there, on the signs in the parks, or in a book about sharks. You can find them in a card to someone whose life is hard. Words you treasure and you keep when your parents tuck you into sleep. To make a sentence, put words together. Now you can ask about the weather, or make commands, tell people what to do, or share information, maybe something about you. You can write a poem, read a story, learn about something creepy or gory. Words you can sing to the sun. Words are for everyone. Yes, words can be a charm, but words can also hurt and harm. When you're angry and you yell, "I hate you, I think you smell." Words can make loved ones cry. Words can make you want to lie, make you want to fight, cheat, and steal. Words can make you forget what is real. Yes, words can be scary too, and leave you wondering what to do. But don't forget that what you say has the power to brighten someone's day, to make them happy, make them smile, give them hope to stay a while. Hurt or heal, neither is hard, if you use your words with regard. So choose your words carefully, for from your mouth, once they flee, you cannot stop to take them back. That is a power we all lack. The end.